That's awesome with this snow too.
Yeah. This is very bulge-like.
Yeah.
Aaron, you gotta take a video of me with this.
Okay.
Oh, you just throw your M1 on the ground?
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's how we do it.
This is absolutely awesome.
This is not all about you.
This is what I think of you. All right. We going?
Yep.
All right.
Shortened 1903. Never seen one of those. What is that? A carbine?
Huh?
03 carbine or? That was.
It's a little bit cold, so the action's
Yeah. I think the followers kind of stuck a little bit.
yeah. Well, you can pull that. There's a switch on that side. See that switch? Yeah. That'll let the bolt go back a little bit farther.
There we go.
All right, you might take a video of me.